how to see sensitive content on Telegram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Aren't you able to see sensitive content on Telegram and don't know how to troubleshoot it? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to see sensitive content on Telegram. Open Telegram on a device, tap on the hamburger icon at the top, select Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down slowly. As you can see, there's no option for sensitive content on the mobile application. You will need to access the web application of Telegram to change the sensitive content settings. Return to your home screen, open Chrome or any web browser, tap on the search bar, search for Telegram Web. Tap on the URL named as Telegram. If it's your first time, it may ask you to log in. Please log in to access the Telegram web app. I am already logged in, so I can easily access the web app. Tap on the hamburger icon, select Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the end. Here, you will find the sensitive content section available in the Telegram web app. Under sensitive content, tick the box for disable filtering. Once you check the disable filtering feature, Telegram will now display sensitive media in public channels on all your logged in devices. And boom, you have successfully learned how to see sensitive content on Telegram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.